In today's video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs with Premiere Pro to create AI voiceovers and seamlessly add them to your video edits. If you've never combined these tools before, don't worry. You'll first generate your narration in ElevenLabs, then import it into Premiere Pro to complete your video. Start by signing in to your ElevenLabs account and opening the text-to-speech section. Select the voice you'd like to use, then type or paste your script into the editor. Take a moment to review your script before generating the audio. Correct any spelling or punctuation mistakes, as these can affect how naturally the AI reads your text. Once you're ready, generate the voiceover and listen to the preview. If everything sounds the way you want, download the audio file to your computer. Now launch Premiere Pro and create a new project, or open the one you're already working on. Import both your video footage and the voiceover you downloaded from ElevenLabs. Drag your video clips onto the timeline, then place the voiceover on an audio track. Adjust its position so the narration matches the visuals, and trim any sections if necessary. If your project includes music or sound effects, lower their volume so the voice remains clear throughout the video. You can also add transitions, captions, and other finishing touches to improve the overall presentation. Before exporting, play through the entire project to check that the audio is synchronized correctly and that everything flows smoothly. When you're satisfied with the final edit, export your video and it's ready to publish. And that's how you use ElevenLabs with Premiere Pro. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.